Hi there, my name is Sam, and in this video I'll show you how to use images as an input source for your prompt. So first, let's find something nice to screenshot. And as we scroll down, I really like this section with this blurred part going on right here and the product information. So let's take a screenshot. There we go, and drag this screenshot into the prompt box. And now we can simply say rebuild this one on one and click on enter to start building. Instant AI will now analyze this image and then it will recreate it. And there we have it. A minute later, it's done. And it's looking great. It looks exactly like the image we gave it. And now we can dive into all of the editing options and adjust everything from the size of the text to the spacing between certain elements, you name it. But besides editing all of this with all the no-code options, we can also simply prompt whatever we want. So maybe we don't like this specific background image. And what we can simply do is select this layer that has the image, it's added to the prompt box, click on the plus icon and then select this image, which we do like, and simply prompt use this image as the background image. Then we click on go and Instant AI will now implement this change. And there we have it, super fast, it is adjusted, and now this section looks even better. And this is also how you can use images as an input source for your prompts. You can use them as the foundation of a new layout, or you can use them later on to change certain aspects of a layout. So thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video.